Hello friends! In this video, we learn about carbonyl compounds, nomenclature in the last video. We have learned about aldehyde nomenclature in this video. We will try to solve the examples of. First, we should know that ketone is 3-carbon compound, and the central carbonyl compound is combined with 2 more carbons. The difference between ketone and aldehyde is aldehyde. Carbon atom must have 1 hydrogen, and on the other side, carbon or hydrogen. But in ketone, the carbonyl carbon or central carbon atom have 2 more carbon atoms. Now we will move to IUPAC nomenclature of ketones. The first example of ketone is propanone. As I said before, carbonyl carbon always have 3 or more carbon in this example. 3 carbon I present and its IUPAC name and dimethyl ketone. Propanone is IUPAC name and dimethyl ketone is common name. The next example is 5-carbon compound ketone, in which we will start the numbering from the carbon where branch is in large numbers. As we see the right side, carbon atom has 2 more branch. That's why we will start numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The third carbon is carbonyl compound, so we will name the compound as 2, 2, 4, trimethylpentan 3. 1 will also be named as written. The next example is, as you see, this compound is having 2 carbonyl carbon atoms. CO. So we will start the numbering from where the carbonyl carbon atom is nearest. So we will write the numbering as it on 9. So it will be 9. And name is 4. 9, 2, 7, dione. Next example is having only 1 carbonyl compound, but having branches methyl, so we will start the numbering from where the carbonyl carbon is nearest. As it the name, as 2, 2, 5, 5, tetramethyl, 3, hexanon. Now we discuss about different example, as in the previous examples we named the IUPAC. But in this example the name is given and we have to draw the structure methyl tributyl ketone. So first we draw the ketone group, which CO and then methyl and then tributyl.